There is my purchase from Cincinnati Picker, John, down in Ohio. I bought that from him. So that's a little addition to the eBay office wall. Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. We just got back and we're going to make a video. This is called a haul video. Sometimes it's called a sourcing video. Got a different angle. You can see my patent medicine collection over here. Some of the stuff on the wall here a little bit better. So this is what we got today. Today is Saturday, November 23, and it's kind of a sad day in West Michigan because Salvation Army changed their policies. Today is the last day you can get super good deals. So if you're not familiar, if you're part of the country, they might not do this, but they have colored price tags, yellow, blue, pink, all different colors. All throughout the week, they pick one color and it's 50% off everything that color. And then on Saturday, everything that color is just 69 cents. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a leather coat, it could be electronics, a cassette deck, it could be anything, small or large, only 69 cents. But this is the last day. Not every Salvation Army did that, but the ones in West Michigan did. And so every one of them, some of them are busy. We hit two, but they weren't bad. So the first item is this Radio Shack sleep machine. I got this not at a Salvation Army, another thrift store. Kind of my honey hole that I won't reveal. But this is really nice. I got this for $3. The comps on this one are anywhere from $14 to $27. If you're not familiar with what a sleep machine is, it's kind of like a little radio, but it's not a radio. It plays soothing sounds like trains, ocean sounds, a river, night sounds like crickets. And it's all digital, it has a timer, 4 hours, 6 hours, or never shuts off. And you play this at night next to your head as you're sleeping, and it's supposed to help you sleep. I've always wanted one of these, and they're really hard to find. So I don't know, I might keep it or I might sell it. It also has a little pillow speaker, so you can put a speaker underneath your pillow and not disturb anybody else. So these are kind of cool. It is heavy, it'll ship priority mail. So if I don't keep it, I'll sell it for about $23.95 plus shipping on top. The next one is the baseball hat. This is San Francisco Giants World Series 2010 champions. This is technically not new, but it's like a near new condition. I mean, it's perfect. It still has the hologram sticker. Does not have tags, unfortunately. So that kind of breaks my heart a little bit. But it's not bad. Again, I got this for 69 cents. And I'm going to list this for $12 to $14. Nearly new, but technically used condition. So the next item is this die, and I'm going to mess this up, but this is for scrapbooking, and people who do scrapbooking will probably know what this is. It's really heavy. The regular retail is $24.99 on this, and they were marked for $9.99, but it was the right color tag, so I got these for 69 cents, and I got 4 of them. So I'm going to have to do a lot of research on these. There's not a lot of English. There's a lot of foreign language on here, a little bit of English. And I'm going to have to research if this is new opened, or if it's used, or if it's sealed. A lot of them look like they've been opened. So I'm probably going to have to list these as new open box. I don't know. I'm going to have to do the research on it. But the comps are all over the place. Asking prices anywhere from $19.99 to $43 a piece. So I'm going to list these for $22.95 plus $7 priority mail shipping on top. Not a lot of them are listed, not a lot of them have sold. This is what we call a long tail item. So we'll see how it does. The brand is kind of weird. I'm not even going to pronounce Sizzix. I don't know. Maybe you guys, anybody who's watching this knows how to do scrapbooking or die cuts or whatever. Put it down in the comments below if you've seen this or heard of this or even know what it is. Next are these five Maxell blank cassette tapes. I've sold these before. They sell really fast. As soon as I list them, they're gone in a couple of days. I overpaid a little bit. I paid $1 a piece, which isn't bad, but normally I get them a lot cheaper than that. I'm going to list these $12.95 plus shipping on top. They'll barely go first class. They weigh about 11 ounces without a box, so I'll charge $5 first class, just a flat rate, and box them up, and hopefully they come in under £1. Next item is another scrapbooking item. This is an expansion pack, Fiskars. I don't know, I'm butchering this, but there's these little packets. I'm not sure what they're used for or even what they are, but again, regular retail is about $5 to $6. Got these for 69 cents. I got 5 of them. I'm going to lot these together. They are kind of heavy. $19.99 for all 5 of them, plus $7 priority mail shipping on top. And the next item is the coffee cup. Delicate. This again, 69 cents. I didn't even look it up in the store. I have no idea what it is. It's called Angel Star. It's got this little tassel hanging from it. I did look it up when I got home. The asking price is between $9 and $12, so I'll list it for $9.99. First class shipping. This should fit in a 5x5x5 box pretty well. It's under a pound. It's about 10 ounces, so I have no idea. This will probably take a very long time to sell. And the last item is the best item. I went to a thrift store. This is a spray nozzle repair kit. That's what it looks like. It's a little bubble on a cardboard. I got these for 25 cents, and I believe I got 4 of them. So these are $9 to $14 asking price on eBay. I'm going to list these for $9.99 a piece. They'll easily go first class, but notice how it's got the big bubble on the cardboard. When I have things like that and it's kind of empty, I don't put this in a bubble mailer or a poly bag or anything like that, because could you imagine if some postal employee stepped on this package? It would crush this bubble. Might not damage the contents inside, but this thing would not handle being stepped on or having a heavy box put on it very well. So if the buyer receives it and this is all crushed, they're probably going to be angry. So I'm going to look for a skinny box to put these in. It's a little overkill, but I don't want them to receive a damaged product. So I'm going to list these $9.99, $3 first class shipping. Super lightweight, easy to go. Maybe somebody will buy all of them, I don't know. So another thing I never mentioned before is when I have multiples, like I have 4 of these and 4 of those die cut things, when I list them, then I give volume discounts. So if you buy more than 1, or say if you buy 2, you get 10% off. If you buy 3 or more, you get 15% off. That's worked in the past pretty good, and people will buy all of them and get a little discount. So that's it, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and if you have any questions or if you notice something I missed or you know what these things are, put a comment down in the comment section. My Instagram is linked below. I did sell some stuff today, so I got to get that up on Instagram. Probably won't make a video for about a week. The sales have slowed down to about 1 a day, so probably be about another week before I make a what sold video. But yeah, email too is down below. Shoot me a question through email. I also linked my how-to videos, how to ship, how to research, how to source items, how to list on eBay for the first time. Those are down in the description, so you can easily find those how-to videos. And then I have affiliate links too for shipping supplies, and those are down there too. So that's it, guys. Nice sunny day, kind of cold, but we did pretty good sourcing today. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.